Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. In this set of videos, we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit from the present position of Capricorn to Aquarius and its retrogression from Aquarius back to Capricorn. Jupiter gets its transit on 6th of April 2021 and stays till 15th of September 2021 at Aquarius, and again it retrogrades back on 15th of September and comes back to Capricorn, and it will be there till 20th of November 2021, and there will be a normal transit on 20th November 2021 as usual from Capricorn to Aquarius. So we will be seeing the impact of the Jupiter transit for each and every zodiac sign. Whenever the Jupiter is placed in a particular position, it will have certain effects. Also, the Jupiter aspects the 5th house, 7th house and the 9th house from the position where it is. So all the places where the Jupiter aspects will have a very positive effects. Considering this, many viewers had asked me the impact of the Jupiter's this transit and retrogression effects. I had already consolidated certain videos on the 2020-21 Jupiter transit. If you have not viewed those videos, I have provided the link in the description. You can select it and view all these videos. I had also given some percentage for each and every zodiac sign. So that will have a major effect that has got a consolidated effect of all the transit, keeping into consideration of all the planetary positions. But there are certain viewers, they need to know the impact of the Jupiter's transit at Aquarius separately and its the retrogression effect separately. So that is the purpose I am releasing these videos for each and every zodiac sign with the impact of the transit as well as the retrogression. Now we will see for each and every zodiac sign what would be the effect. Taurus, the second zodiac sign. For Taurus, on 6th of April, Jupiter transits from Capricorn to Aquarius, it's being the 10th house for Taurus. The position of Jupiter seems to be better for those who are looking for good job opportunities. There are chances during this time they will get a good job placements. Those who are working in a company, there are chances they will get a promotion or increment like that. So the position of Jupiter seems to be better. Now from the 10th house, Jupiter starts aspecting the second house. So the communication power becomes increased. So in this particular zodiac sign who are looking for communication based jobs, there are chances they will get succeeded. Those who are into the field of communication, which is a base, they can achieve many things. Now Jupiter aspecting the 4th house, it seems to be highly positive for them. Those who are looking for buying assets, they need to purchase some land. This is the right time to purchase. At the same time, they will have a good time with their mothers and mother side family. Jupiter aspecting the 6th house seems to be highly positive. So they can win out of their enemies. Those who are having some pending issues with their friends or their relatives, it gets solved during this time. Those who have borrowed money, they will give back the money during this time. When they ask for a loan, there are chances they will get the loan sanctioned. So these are all the benefits when the Jupiter moves from Capricorn to Aquarius. Now let us see the problems when Jupiter moves away from Capricorn to Aquarius. When Jupiter moves away from Capricorn to Aquarius, now the Saturn seems to be highly positive on the 3rd house. So Saturn aspecting directly on the 3rd house impacts hard work. So the more the efforts they put, they cannot succeed. Whatever the efforts they do during this time, it becomes failure. So they seems to be very much careful in their efforts. Also, some may find issues with the younger sisters, younger brothers. They have some troubles during this time. When the Jupiter moves away to the Aquarius, Rahu becomes powerful. So a lot of health issues might come during this time, because the Rahu is being placed in the zodiac sign. So some may get health related issues. So far Jupiter was controlling this by aspecting the zodiac sign directly. Rahu's ill effects getting controlled by Jupiter. When the Jupiter moves away from Capricorn to Aquarius, now the Rahu becomes free, and during this time, this particular zodiac sign they may have some effects, bad effects in their health. So they should take care of their health related issues very strictly and ensure they take all preventive measures. Now let us see the impact of the retrogression. When Jupiter retrogrades back to Capricorn, it starts aspecting the Rahu. So the ill effects of Rahu will get reduced during this time. So people may get rid of their health related issues. This is the right time for them, and they will not face any much problems on their health. Now Jupiter comes to the 9th house, so there are chances they will get good support from the father, the elder brothers. Some may get lucky times, some may get some win out of certain prizes. All these good things might happen. Now Jupiter aspects the 3rd house, so the efforts will turn to be more successful. So whatever the hard work they put in, they will get a good success. They can expect a positive results during that time. So the Saturn is aspecting the 3rd house. Again Jupiter is also follow the same house, so the ill effects will get reduced. Now Jupiter aspecting the 5th house seems to be highly positive. The children of this particular zodiac sign will study well and they can get good marks. So the parents will get benefited out of the children. Those who are expecting for kids for a long time, there are chances during this time they will get a good kid also. So these are all the positive effects. When we see the negative effect, Saturn now aspecting the 6th house not so positive. This time they may find some enemies creeping up. So they should be careful in lending the money to others. They should be careful in the business also. So these are all the good and bad effects of the Jupiter's transit and retrogression. So for Taurus, the retrograde part seems to be better when compared to the transit.